Hey there, let's talk about something we all need: soft, moisturized lips. Whether it's the dead of winter or a sunny summer day, dry lips can sneak up on you. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a super simple, natural, and customizable DIY lip balm recipe that you can make at home. And the best part, no weird chemicals or preservatives, just pure goodness for your lips. Let's jump right in. So, here's the deal. Store-bought lip balms are fine, but a lot of them come with ingredients you can't even pronounce. Plus, why spend extra money when you can make something that's better and totally your own? Making your own lip balm is easier than you think. Trust me, if you can melt and stir, you can do this. What you'll need: we're keeping it simple with just a few natural ingredients. Here's your shopping list. 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets. This is what gives the balm its firmness and helps it stay on your lips. Don't use beeswax? No problem. I'll share some great substitutes in just a bit. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This is the magic ingredient for hydration. Plus, it's antibacterial and smells amazing. 1 tablespoon of shea butter or cocoa butter for extra softness and nourishment. 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, optional. This adds an extra dose of nourishment and helps preserve the balm. 4 to 5 drops of essential oil, optional. This is where you can have fun. Go for peppermint for a cooling effect, lavender for relaxation, or vanilla for a sweet touch. And of course, you'll need some small containers or lip balm tubes to pour your mixture into. You can find these online or repurpose small jars you already have at home. Step-by-step instructions. All right, let's make this magic happen. Step 1. Melt the base. Start by grabbing a heat-safe glass bowl or jar. Add your beeswax pellets, coconut oil, and shea butter into the bowl. Now set up a double boiler. This just means placing your bowl over a pot of simmering water. Stir the mixture gently as it melts. This only takes a few minutes and you'll see everything transform into a smooth, golden liquid. Step 2. Customize it. Once everything is melted, it's time to add the extras. Remove the bowl from the heat and stir in your vitamin E oil and essential oil if you're using them. This is where you can make your lip balm truly yours. Want a soothing balm? Add lavender. Prefer a fresh minty vibe? Peppermint's your go-to. Stir it all together to make sure the oils are evenly distributed. Step 3. Pour and cool. Carefully pour the mixture into your containers or tubes. A small funnel can make this step super easy, but a steady hand works too. Once you've filled your containers, let them sit at room temperature for about an hour. You'll see them harden into the perfect lip balm texture. And that's it. Your lip balm is ready to use. Beeswax alternatives. Now, if you're not using beeswax, don't worry. There are great vegan options like candelilla wax, carnauba wax, or even soy wax. They work just as well and keep the balm firm. Just adjust the quantity slightly, since some of these are harder or softer than beeswax. For example, with candelilla wax, you only need about half the amount you'd use for beeswax. Why make your own lip balm? Aside from being super easy, making your own lip balm is better for your lips and your wallet. You know exactly what's going into it, and you can tweak the recipe to suit your needs. Plus, it's a fun little project you can do with friends or family. And let's be honest, handmade lip balm makes an amazing gift. Who wouldn't love a cute little jar of natural, homemade lip care? Pro tips. Test the texture. Before pouring the mixture into containers, you can test the texture by placing a small drop on a plate and letting it cool. Want it firmer? Add a bit more wax. Want it softer? Add more oil. Storage. Store your lip balm in a cool, dry place. It can last for months, especially if you add that optional vitamin E oil. Thanks for watching.